There are unofficial informations that the Russian President Vladimir Putin will pursue a wider shakeup of command of his army, including the replacement of the overall commander of the invasion in Ukraine, Army General Alexander Dvornikov. Russian Reserve officer Oleg Marzov claimed on June 21 that General of the Army Sergei Surovikin, the current commander of the Russian Aerospace Forces, will replace Dvornikov as commander of the Southern Military District, which includes Russian-occupied areas of Ukraine. Ukraine's conflict intelligence team reported on Sunday that Vladimir Putin dismissed Dvornikov and named Colonel General Gennady Zhidko, the head of the Military Political Directorate of the Russian Armed Forces, as the overall commander of the invasion. Dvornikov was tapped by Putin to lead the invasion on April 10 after Russia pursued the special military operations without an overall commander in the first 6 weeks of the war. He had previously served in the suppression of Chechnya and commanded in Russia's military intervention to prop up the Assad regime in the Syrian conflict. But Bellingcat's Christo Grozev said on Friday that Putin had decided to fire the commander because of his excessive drinking and lack of trust among Russian forces. The US-based Institute for the Study of War summarizes such drastic rotations within the Russian military, if true, are not actions taken by a force on the verge of a major success and indicate ongoing dysfunction in the Kremlin's conduct of the war. Russian outlets confirmed the claims of Ukrainian sources, first made on June 17, that Colonel General Andriy Serdyukov has been dismissed and will be replaced by Colonel General Mikhail Teplinsky, the current chief of staff of the Central Military District. Serdyukov was reportedly blamed for poor performance and high casualties among paratroopers. The paratroops were central to the Kremlin's initial plan when the invasion began on February 24 for special forces to enter Ukrainian cities and topple the Zelensky government. The units would be moved to airports near the cities to launch their assaults, including operations in Kyiv to detain and possibly killing President Volodymyr Zelensky and his ministers. But the plan ran into trouble when the paratroopers could not take Hostomel Airport near Kyiv. Within 72 hours, they were defeated, suffering heavy casualties and forced to retreat. In the same time, the first delivery of German self-propelled howitzers has arrived in Ukraine. The German Defense Ministry said a total of 12 Pantsir-Haubitze 2000 howitzers from Germany and the Netherlands will be shipped. Ukraine Defense Minister Alexei Reznikov wrote, "We have replenishment." The German Pantsir-Haubitze 2000 with trained Ukrainian crews joined the Ukrainian artillery family. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.